This is the big question then. Is India flattening the coronavirus curve? If you see the numbers, then the news is not as good as we could have expected. As India registered its biggest single-day surge, India Today's Data Intelligence Unit has done some serious number crunching that reveals that the new cases per day continue to rise despite the lockdown.
3,900 coronavirus cases reported in last 24 hours. India has recorded its biggest jump in daily new COVID-19 cases. As India takes small steps back to normalcy by easing restrictions, the numbers show that the fight against the virus is far from over. India Today's Data Intelligence Unit has found that there was no dip in new cases in the first 40 days of lockdown in India. Based on a 7-day rolling average, India added 2,022 new cases per day, and the number has been rising consistently. Compared to India, Italy, UK and Spain had a higher daily average of rising cases, but they are witnessing a downward trend. In fact, by the 40th day of their lockdown, France and China's daily cases were lower than India's.
India has actually, through the process of lockdown and through our containment efforts, had been ensuring that the cases do not increase. We are still following a similar trajectory. So when you will compare us with other parts of the world, you realize that their absolute number of cases would have probably a little bit gone down, but India had maintained a similar trajectory of having lower number of cases. However, having said that, for us, it is a day-to-day challenge.
The centre projects that India's coronavirus cases will see a drop by May 16th. But is that realistically possible? Confirmed COVID-19 cases in India have risen sharply, with active cases now growing at 6.4%, which means positive coronavirus cases are doubling every 11 days.
It is important to understand that we need to come to a level where day-to-day case increase should actually be not happening in a geometric progression. It should be happening, in such a manner where the number of cases do get added on a daily basis are lesser than that, and subsequently to a level where we can actually increase the doubling rate much higher so that case remains stable, and that is where we end up seeing a flattening of the curve.
The numbers are glaring. India's coronavirus cases are nearing 50,000. The question now is, when and how can India flatten the curve? With Nikhil Rampal, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.